Hi guys, how you all doing? So let's unbox our new wigs, okay? But before that, let's unbox this lipstick first. How you all doing? Hope we are good. Compliment of the season, guys. Hope we are all doing good. So this is the lipstick. Let me just tear it. How many packages now? So you know I love red. How do I look, guys? So beautiful. So let's start. So the wig come with a wig cap. Okay, 2. And some lashes too. Though I've removed the lashes. I gave it out. My hair too small. So the first one is this one. I don't know the name, so please pardon me. I saw it and I love it. The problem is that I don't know how to maintain wig, so I'm going to comb this one now. I have something like this. I don't even know if I should comb this one. The wig is even, I don't know if it's original, because this one I bought this one 120 euro. Don't know if this is falling out. Don't know if this one is, they say it's original woman hair, the lady that I bought it from. I don't know this kind of woman hair, what they do, like, what's it? I don't know. God, I beg you. Chabi, they say you wear it like now where problems start now. They say you go from back wear wig. Cap don't cap don't come out. Move wear this time where we know. And she said this one is glueless. Guys, pardon me, me and wig. Wait first, let me wear it. So guys, for this woman hair, yeah, I don't understand. I don't understand though. It's falling out. Look at all my body. I don't think this one, they have cheat. They have scammed me. Or is it me that is combing it wrongly? See. Imagine. See. Or am I the one? Look at. Guys, please let me know if this they have scammed me, or I'm the one combing it wrong, or I don't meant to comb it. See. Look at, it's falling off. I don't know. Guys, please let me know if they have scammed me, or because I bought it 120 euro. Say it's 30 inches, I be 26. But look at, so this one is wig number 1. So please let me know. The wig is full everywhere. Me, I don't know about all this wig. I don't know. I've bought many wigs going in the name of original, and later they will be telling me this is not original. Please guys, if you know any person that sells wig, see, I don't know if I'm the one doing it. Let me remove it here. Let me remove it. This one is wig number 1. So let me bring it closer. I don't know if he's, see, he's even everywhere. Big. And wig number 2 is this one. See, all my body full with hair. So this one is, I think they say it's frontal. I mean, hey, I don't know. I don't think this hair is good hair. I think this one is more better. And I don't know how to. Or am I the one where this one is, see now, you just come beat hair, they follow you. The other one, they come back hair, they full everywhere. Like, see I'm now. Now so hair suppose they. Even though I know sabi eye for hair, this one, see am, you put hand, he just come out, he follow you. I don't know hair, but this one. Now I have to do this thing now, come out this thing, come make and fine. Guys. But this one, bless, I will take and go salon. So guys, tell me if this one is good. See am now. See as hair they follow. They fall. I think this one is good. All these online people, now God help. Because I like this coffee brand. I think, is it coffee brand? A bit brand. Bina, this one, the coffee brand. I like brand hair. So this one is wig number 2. So this one, I think this color is burgundy, abi wine. Please correct me. My sister, my own ma buy wig where they go. So I asked her glueless wig. I don't want, just that I saw the other front, I like it. This one now. You see? So this one is wig number 3. It is even with the label. They have removed the other one's label. See, wear it like this, you bend it, put the band. Hey! People that used to wear wig every day, you people are trying, you know. So if you see me bobbing my hair, just know that anything that will make me, as in stress me, I don't like it. Anything that will stress me, I don't like it at all. Where this one come they stay now? The wig, mbo. Supposed to hang here, somewhere here. After I will sort that one out. Hey, this one is fine, though. So I will use this thing and tight it. Let me check. I'm coming, guys. So guys, this is wig number 3. I've now removed the label. Well, after I'll cut the label off. I just want, because this one, when I remove the label, my husband has said my husband had told me that if I remove the label, they will not change it. You see, so that's why this one is with the label. But this one, that one still is still they full everywhere. Guys, I beg. So check out this one. I think this one and this one. Hey, me, I don't even scatter everything. After we use hot comb and do it. This one now, I don't know how to do it. Oh, I don't know how to do it. I'll go and give salon, or maybe I'll watch YouTube video. I'll not put this one and try. But this one, I think, is glueless. Look at it, guys. It's glueless. This one is original. If you see original, you go know. But you see this one, they cheat me. So they give me 2 original, 1 fake. This way. But I'll rock the fake, even though not 2 times. My money no go like that now. I wanna see him. If I say let me send it back now, I've removed the label, so I don't know. All these people where they advertise, purchase a small business, all this one, you go buy from them, they will sell nonsense give you. And I be buy, I be say I go buy for person from them. Me I know call their brand name so that no person no go buy am or can they give person stress. See as hair they. I never do this one. Oh. I never hot comb. I never rub am cream. See as it dey. You see now so hair suppose dey. Let be hair full everywhere. Thank you guys for watching. So please tell me which of the hair. Me I no even sabi come on wig. I no sabi wear wig. Tell me which of them is your favorite. Okay. Small go learn. Let me brush it and keep it back.